let's take a look at some cool gadgets that are useful, practical, and just plain cool. Whether you're looking for smart solutions or cool designs, there's something here for everyone. Meet the DJI Dock 3, the game changer for fully autonomous drone missions. Built for extreme conditions, it operates flawlessly from -30 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, ensuring smooth performance in intense heat or freezing cold. Plus, with wind resistance up to 12 meters per second, your drone stays airborne even in challenging weather. This is DJI's first dock to support vehicle-mounted deployment, meaning you can take it anywhere. With dual dock setups, your drones are ready to launch the moment the cover opens. Whether for surveillance, inspections, or emergency response, DJI Dock 3 delivers unmatched flexibility. With an extended flight time of up to 54 minutes per mission and a 10-kilometer operational range, this dock allows for wide area coverage with minimal intervention. Its RTK 3.0 technology ensures precision positioning even in GPS-challenged environments, while 5-direction obstacle sensing keeps your drone safe during operations. Powered by advanced AI, the Dock 3 enhances drone intelligence with real-time object detection, tracking vehicles, vessels, and temperature anomalies. This makes it an invaluable tool for security and industrial inspections. Need a 3D model of an area? DJI Dock 3 enables real-time automated data collection, creating high-precision maps effortlessly. From night vision capabilities to real-time change detection, the DJI Dock 3 ensures round-the-clock surveillance and analysis. This is the future of intelligent remote drone operations, fully autonomous, highly efficient, and built for any scenario. Introducing the Homey Pro Mini, the ultimate way to take your smart home to the next level. Packed with essential technologies like Zigbee, Thread, and Matter, it ensures seamless connectivity across all your smart devices. With Gigabit Ethernet for ultra-fast performance and USB-C for reliable power and local backups, the Homey Pro Mini is built for speed and stability. Powered by the Homey Pro operating system, it gives you full control over more than 50,000 devices from over 1,000 brands. Easily automate everything with Flow on your mobile or unlock next-level customization with Advanced Flow on desktop. Monitor real-time energy usage with Homey Insights and track how power flows through your home to optimize efficiency. Want to visualize it all? Create stunning dashboards using built-in and community widgets for a fully personalized experience. And the best part? Homey Pro Mini keeps everything private and local first, so your data stays secure. Need even more connectivity? Pair it with the Homey Bridge to expand support for Z-Wave, Bluetooth, 433 MHz, and infrared devices. What if I told you there's a laser tool that cleans and welds underwater? Sounds unreal, right? Meet the XLASERLAB X1/X1 Pro, the most versatile laser welding machine ever built. Whether you're a professional welder or a DIY enthusiast, this machine is designed to handle it all. With cutting-edge laser welding technology, the X1 delivers high-energy pulses for precise, clean welds, no grinding required. It can seamlessly weld metal sheets as thin as 0.2 millimeters, reducing deformation and ensuring strong, flawless joints every time. And here's the game changer. It's incredibly easy to use. Even if you're new to welding, the intuitive interface makes operation a breeze. No extensive training needed. From delicate jewelry repairs to heavy-duty industrial work, this machine adapts to any task. Portability? Check. The compact, lightweight design lets you take it anywhere. Perfect for on-site jobs, workshops, or even home repairs. Plus, its advanced heat management system ensures consistent performance without overheating. The X1 isn't just about welding, it's about innovation and precision. Whether you're building, fixing, or creating something new, this machine is your ultimate laser-powered companion. The Colo GCS takes gaming audio to a whole new level. Forget bulky soundbars and uncomfortable headphones. This all-in-one gaming chair speaker system delivers an immersive 7.1.2 surround sound experience right from your seat. With 11 independent speakers, including dedicated overhead channels, it creates a true 360-degree audio environment. That means you can hear every detail, from enemy footsteps sneaking up behind you to explosions rumbling in the distance, just like in a high-end home theater. Unlike traditional setups, the Colo GCS mounts directly to your gaming chair, eliminating desk clutter while enhancing the soundscape. Its patented sound guiding technology directs audio exactly where it needs to go, making every gaming session feel more lifelike. And it's not just for gaming. Whether you're watching movies or listening to high-fidelity music, the high-resolution audio certification ensures every note and sound effect is crystal clear. With HDMI, EARC, Bluetooth, and full compatibility with PC, PS5, Xbox, and even VR headsets, this is the ultimate sound upgrade. Meet the Nitecore EDC29, a compact yet insanely powerful flashlight designed for any situation. Packing 6,500 lumens of brightness, this beast lights up the night with an impressive 400-meter throw. Perfect for tactical searches, outdoor adventures, or everyday carry. The armor-inspired anti-slip body gives you a solid grip, while the dual-stage tactical button allows for customized brightness control. Need quick access? The rapid lock function ensures safety and prevents accidental activation. Its multifunctional OLED display keeps you informed with real-time brightness levels, battery life, and temperature monitoring. Plus, the brightness preset function lets you tailor the light to your needs instantly. Small but tough, bright, and packed with features, the Nitecore EDC29 is the ultimate EDC flashlight. Struggling with sleep? Meet For Me Buds, the ultimate sleep-enhancing earbuds that use real-time brainwave tracking to help you fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and wake up refreshed. For Me Buds use cutting-edge PPG technology to monitor your brainwaves and adjust in real time. With advanced binaural beats and personalized audio, these earbuds create the perfect sound environment for rest. Whether you need white noise, calming music, or sleep-inducing frequencies, For Me Buds deliver exactly what your brain needs. But they're not just for sleep. With active noise cancellation and a premium internal microphone, they double as high-performance earbuds for music, calls, and productivity. Need a mental reset? The built-in refresh mode plays soothing audio while guiding your breath to help reduce stress. Designed for maximum comfort, For Me Buds fit seamlessly, even for side sleepers. The medical-grade silicone tips keep your ears clean, while built-in air vents prevent discomfort during long hours of wear. With 10 hours of battery life, they'll last all night. Plus, the wireless charging case provides up to 5 full recharges, making them the perfect travel companion. Whether you're dealing with jet lag, noisy environments, or just need a moment of calm, these earbuds have you covered. The TBK211 Wireless Portable Mini Soldering Station is a groundbreaker for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. With a built-in lithium-ion battery, this compact station offers super fast charging, letting you get to work without long wait times. It heats up in seconds, allowing you to melt tin effortlessly for quick and precise soldering jobs. One of its standout features is the automatic cleaning function, which keeps the soldering iron tip in top shape, reducing maintenance and extending its lifespan. It also supports multiple tin wire expansion methods, making it versatile for different soldering needs. Plus, an expandable smoke extraction fan helps maintain a clean workspace by reducing fumes. Lightweight, portable, and packed with smart features, the TBK211 is the ultimate soldering companion. Need a powerful air blower? Meet AirCannon, the high-speed air blower that blasts air at 124 miles per hour, tackling dust, debris, and water like a storm in your hand. Watch it blow away a bowling ball. Yeah, it's that strong. Whether you're drying your car without scratches, clearing leaves in seconds, or blasting dust off your tools, AirCannon gets it done. With 3 interchangeable nozzles, you get precision airflow for any job. And thanks to its lightweight design, you can handle big tasks without fatigue. Plus, it stays cool even after extended use. Tested for reliability and performance, AirCannon stands out among cordless air blowers. Get the power, speed, and convenience you need, all in one compact device. Say goodbye to awkward front camera angles and low-quality shots. Introducing MagMirror, the ultimate 3-in-1 tool for content creators. This cool device combines screen mirroring, a built-in power bank, and LED lighting, all in one sleek MagSafe compatible design. Now, you can use your rear camera for ultra-crisp video and perfectly frame your shots with real-time screen mirroring. MagMirror features adjustable LED lights with multiple modes, bright white, warm glow, and even party lights to set the perfect mood for any video. And don't worry about battery life. MagMirror packs a powerful 4,000 mAh battery that wirelessly charges your phone while you create, keeping you powered up for hours. Whether you're vlogging, live streaming, or capturing high-quality content on the go, MagMirror is the perfect tool to elevate your creativity. Vitaloop is a trailblazer in water filtration. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or just on the go, this sleek, compact bottle transforms any water source into clean, safe hydration in seconds. At its core is the NanoFlow filter, a powerful 5-stage filtration system that removes viruses, bacteria, heavy metals, microplastics, and chemicals like chlorine, so you can trust every sip. And it's all scientifically tested and proven to deliver the highest level of purification. What makes Vitaloop even better? Its industrial-grade built-in pump and rechargeable battery, capable of filtering up to 13 gallons, 50 litres, on a single charge. No manual effort, just fill, press the button, and drink. It's effortless, portable, and reliable, making it the perfect companion for outdoor adventures, emergency preparedness, or everyday use. Vitaloop isn't just about hydration. It's about freedom, exploration, and peace of mind, knowing you have access to pure water anywhere, anytime. Don't forget to browse our channel, like and subscribe for more cool tech. Thank you for watching.